Update to my main garden. Hello guys. Hi, my pumpkin. How are you, my pumpkin? Hello, kamusta kayo? Kamusta? Kamusta? Okay lang ba kayo? Look at this, guys. Look at that. I have something to show you. Oh, here it is. Here she is. Look at that, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Lumaki na yung mga kamatis ko. Ayan. Ang galing. Hello po. Thank you for watching, guys. Update ko lang kayo sa garden ko. Ayan. Maglinis kanina yung nasa ko. Hello po. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining us here in live. Hello. Hi, Ladra Place. Thank you so much for watching. I'm not yet done cleaning this area. You know. Yes. Malunggay. Dapat maglilinis ako ngayon kaso busy. Busy pa ako. Dami kong ginagawa, guys. Hello. Ayan yung kamote. Guys, actually, ano lang to. Pinagkukuhanan ko lang ng gulay kapag magugulay ako. Hindi ko alam kung may laman ba to. Pero hindi ako nag-expect na may laman kasi gulayan ko nga lang siya. Ito yung mga gabi ko. Ta-transfer ko pa to, guys. Hi, Kian Carl. Thank you for watching. Your garden so preppy. Yes. I'm not yet done cleaning this area, this garden. This area. Hi, Kian. Thank you for watching, guys. So hot. Look at the weather here.